Namaskar everyone. Today we will do 5 yogasana that will help you to improve your thyroid functioning. So basically your thyroid gland is present here. So every asanas that we will do will pressure your thyroid gland. These series of 5 asana, if practiced daily, can help you to not progress your disease further. So let's start. First, sit in any comfortable pose. We will do neck movement forward. Inhale and go back. श्वास लेते हुए पीछे. Exhale, forward. Inhale. Exhale, forward. Inhale. Exhale. Now we will do Ustrasana. Come on your knees, stand on knees, gap between the knees, left hand on waist, right hand, inhale and back. Exhale, forward. From left hand, inhale, exhale, forward. Now we will do Ustrasana. Now lift your right hand, then left hand and relax. Now third asana. Lie down on your back. Relax your body. Now fold your legs. We will do Setubandhasana. Grab your heels with the help of your hands. Inhale and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Relax. Straighten your legs. Now, fourth asana, we will do Matsyasana. Inhale and stretch your back. Lift your back. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Now, we will do Sarvangasana. Relax your body. Lift your legs. Normal breath. Inhale. Relax. Remove your hands. Slightly go down and relax. Rest for some time in Shavasana. Now we will do Simhasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Gap between the legs. Place your hands forward. Deep inhale and exhale. Inhale. Now relax. Rub your palms. Gently massage your chest. Simhasana should be done thrice or 4 times a day. After Simhasana, do gentle massage of your throat area. So that's all for today. If you do this series regular, this will help you to not progress your disease further, and it will stimulate thyroid gland. It will cure all throat related ailments. So do this series regularly, and for more queries related Panchkarma, yoga therapy, Ayurveda, naturopathy, follow our channel and do subscribe. Hari Om.